Hello everyone, this is Krishna Gupta. Welcome to the lecture series on human-computer interaction. In previous lecture, I have discussed about empirical study. Now in this lecture, we will study about cognitive walkthrough. So let us start the cognitive walkthrough concept. This is the formal method for evaluating user interface without user. And then it focused on the first time use. And this is the task oriented and must be aware of user capabilities. And then we have review. Review is depends on Norman cycle. I have discussed in the previous lecture number 9. So you can see stage of actions models as guide for design. This is the model. So first determine the function, then what action are possible for the particular function, and then identify a particular action. After that set environment, and then perceive the interpret what happened when you create a action. Last is evaluate the progress towards the goal. We have already discussed in the Norman's principal cycle. You can see my lecture number 9. And then we have an example of ATM machine. Interact a user with the ATM. So this is a ATM and this is a user, and user interact with the machine. And then we have 3 tasks to interact with the ATM machine. First is withdraw. Withdraw 60,000 rupees from their amount, and then check the amount of money they have in their saving account. And last one is deposit a check. So these are the tasks. After that, first task of user is withdraw money. So how we can withdraw money from the ATM machine? So what is the first starting process? Withdraw 60,000 from their checking account. First insert debit card. Will the user form this goal? If yes, is the user be able to locate the correct command? If yes or no, select according to user. And then third question is, will the user know that this command will execute the action that they want? If yes or no, according to user. After that, will the user understand the action, give feedback, yes or no, depends on user. And second task according to the user is enter pin number. Will the user form this goal? Yes. Is the user be able to locate the correct command button? If yes, will the user know that this command will execute the action that they want? If yes, will the user understand the system feedback? If yes or no, according to user, user can choose one, yes or no. Third task is tap 60,000 rupees on the screen. Will the user form this goal? If yes, is the user be able to locate the correct command button? And if yes, will the user know that this command will execute the action that they want? If yes, will the user understand the system feedback? Yes or no? They can collect money or they can't be collect the money. These are the tasks. Now we can take another example of if you are using net and suddenly you saw a ad on your screen that is festival offer foods. So first of all, what you do? Click on anyone from them according to the choice. Like you can log in with Facebook or you can log in with Gmail, and select anyone from them and then you can sign up. Click on any one of them according to your choice. We have another window. This is the venue and this is the display, food and layout. These are the options you can choose from them. So it show you direction if you click on a venue. This is the direction map. If you click on display all things, and food, all items for eating and layout. There are so many layouts. According to your choice, we have different window and another window. When you click on food, if you click on food, so drink is there, eating items is there, and what's near, restaurant is there. So when you click on food icon, you will see juice, tea, drink, coffee. If you click on drink only, and if you click on food, there burger, chow mein, etc. There are so many things you can choose. And then if you click on drink, then again you see same more options like juice, tea, drink and coffee, etc. Some more options we have already clicked, and choice is yours, choose any one from them. And last option is payment mode, and you all know about the payment system. So this is the process of cognitive walkthrough. So that's all about